These are the now finished modernized main elevators at UPMC Presbyterian in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are originally Westinghouse Selectomatic, but before they're probably hand operated because this is an older building. Then they were modernized by Schindler with Miconic in the 90s. That one's not a part set, that one's modern like the 90s at POSSL. But now they've just finished being modernized. Schindler port. I think that one's finished, but just out of order for whatever reason. So this is like a set of 8 elevators. So there's 4 here, 2 here, and 2 here. It's confusing. It used to be like a bunch of like express elevators and like weird different sets. It was kind of confusing, and I didn't exactly understand it. But this building definitely needed port, and now that's definitely more simplified that. So up to 13. Here, Car L. These are the only 2 that go up to 12 and 13. All the other ones go to 1 through 11. And here you got MODDED Moon, MODDED COPs. So if you can see that.
Floor 13.
Here at 13. Your wheelchair.
This group serves floor 12, car L.
Number 1. Not sure if enable handicap or whatever. So basic snap cab, possible size chasing doors. The cabs have not changed. Well, they were redone, but they were done like 10 years ago or something. Hopefully make it not stop back down. Yeah, I did do a video of these before, but it was a really crappy tickets. It was during a weekday. They were being modernized. 2 of the cars were out of service. It was just a mess.
Floor 1.
Just an update. Take care back at 1. Now it's a weekend.
So what is it, L?
Closing, that's going to be it.